Hello, and welcome to our tutorial. Today we are going to show you how to use shapes. Clicking on the Shapes button in the upper part of the screen, the Shapes bar will appear here below. As you can see, there are a lot of categories from which to choose. Today we are going to show you how to use geometric figures to highlight texts or create graphic effects to obtain a very professional cover. Let's start to highlight texts such as the author name and title in order to give them more emphasis. So let's go to Shapes, use Geometric Figures, and select a rectangle, and it will appear at the top of the area. We can reduce or enlarge it, just positioning the mouse on the right side of the shape. In this case, we want it to fit to the cover and the text, so it should be as wide as the cover and as tall as the word dictionary. As you can see, the word dictionary has now disappeared. We should remember, in fact, that when we insert a new element, it will go to the foreground and will cover the previous element. If we want it to go to the rear, we select the rectangle and click to the back button, and the text dictionary will emerge in the foreground. Now we can choose the color of the shape. We can select a texture to fill it, or a full color option. Or we could choose gradients to produce some smooth color transitions. For example, selecting these two colors. We can see in the preview here below how it would look like changing the direction of the shades. But in this case, we will use the full color option and select this brown. To make it a little more three-dimensional, we can also put a shadow and then resize it. Now we want also to highlight the author name, and we will repeat the same actions. Select a new rectangle, resize it, put it to the back, change the color, and reduce it a little. As you can see, with very easy steps we have made the cover more attractive, just by highlighting the author name and the title. But we can also use some other effects, for example mixing the opacity options with other geometric shapes. So, let's select a triangle and enlarge it to the maximum we need. Position it to the right side of the cover. Don't worry if the cover seems to be completely hidden by this shape, because by using a smooth color, a very low level of opacity, and the option to the back, we will obtain a very cute effect. This is just one of many very easy tips. And here is a very professional cover, created in just a few minutes with very easy actions. Thanks a lot for your attention, and if you have any problems, please let us know. All the best from ebookcover.pro.